How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to grow taller. Extreme tutorial, do this. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So the main thing I want to talk about, I'm going to talk about two things. The main thing that people don't understand when growing taller is 95% of height growth occurs when you are sleeping. So if you're sleeping 4, 5, 6 hours per night, you are really doing yourself a disservice, because like if you go from 5 hours of sleep per night or 6 hours sleep to 9 or 10 hours, you're literally doubling the potential of growing taller. Average studies have shown that average person sleeps 5 hours per night, 5 to 6 hours per night. I sleep 9 hours. I used to sleep 7 hours. Once I switched to 9 to 10 hours, I grew about 3 inches. It can happen to you too. So like I said, 95% of height growth occurs when you're sleeping. So you want to put yourself in that sleeping position for as long as possible. 9 to 10 hours is perfect. Going over that probably isn't going to see much of a difference. So don't try to sleep like 13 hours or 14 hours. It's probably not going to do a big difference, but try to do 9 to 10 hours. After that, vitamin D, 97% of people in the world don't get enough vitamin D. That's insane. Like, those studies are crazy. They do get some vitamin D, they just don't get the proper amount of vitamin D. To get vitamin D, all you have to do is be outside for 20 minutes, but you have to make sure you get enough UV rays. So if the sun is blocking, or if clouds or anything are blocking the sun, or if it's like an overcast or anything like that, even though you're outside, you might not get the proper vitamin D. I take a vitamin D supplement just to make sure I'm getting the right amount of vitamin D. Talk to your doctor about it, about the vitamin D, and he might say, hey, take some vitamin D too. But vitamin D is extremely important for getting taller, like extremely important. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.